What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to restore default keyboard on your POCO M6 Plus. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here tap on additional settings. Now here tap on languages and input and then tap on manage keyboards, and from here turn off all the keyboards that you have installed in your phone. So if you want to change this keyboard back to default, then turn off the buttons, and after that the keyboard will be reset back to default. So that's how you can restore the default keyboard on your POCO M6 Plus. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.